Morning, Adrian team. Got a Vauxhall AstraVan. This is a 2008 1.3 diesel, 122,000 clock. Owner's booked us in, want to get it checked out and cleaned up. Not long had this issue with the EGR that is resolved. We're in today to clean up the source of the muck, get the turbo combustion chamber, injector tips, piston cylinders cleaned up. Issues we found with this one, there's a lot of old communication codes between controllers, all historic by the look of it. They've cleared away. That could be down to a low battery event or a disconnect. Nothing's reappeared on there. It is very noisy, and that's really quietened down now, and it is also running cold. We've finally managed to get it up to about 87 degrees after some persistent but gentle blipping on the throttle. But if you let it just sit there, then it's pretty much dropping down the temperature. This probably needs a new thermostat. Otherwise, a general clean-up required. A lot quieter now than it was. That response is all back now when you put your foot down. All that bass noise has pretty much disappeared now. A little bit quiet compared to what it was. Get this back out on the road, probably pop a new thermostat in this, and it should be good to go.